Feeling foggy? Struggling to focus? Or just want to boost your brain naturally without pills and side effects? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we're revealing the top 3 best herbs for brain health you absolutely must know about, backed by real data, used by doctors, and loved by people who want sharp memory, better focus, and long-lasting brain power. These aren't just trendy ingredients, they're time-tested, research-backed brain boosters your body is craving. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number 1 herb. It might be the key you've been looking for. So grab a cup of tea, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get your brain working at its best naturally. Let's jump in. Number 1, Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a well-known herb used in traditional medicine for its wide array of benefits, especially for brain health. Numerous studies have shown its potential to improve cognitive function, reduce stress, and support overall brain well-being. In clinical research, ashwagandha has been proven to reduce stress levels by up to 30%, making it a powerful ally for individuals with mental health conditions like anxiety, depression, and cognitive disorders. Stress reduction is crucial for brain patients, as chronic stress leads to elevated cortisol levels, which can impair cognitive function over time. It has been estimated that chronic stress can contribute to up to 25% of cognitive decline in individuals with brain disorders. A study conducted on individuals experiencing chronic stress found that ashwagandha supplementation reduced cortisol levels by approximately 22 to 25%, leading to a significant reduction in feelings of anxiety and stress. These findings are particularly valuable for brain patients, as prolonged exposure to high cortisol levels can lead to damage in brain regions involved in memory and learning, such as the hippocampus. High cortisol levels are linked to conditions like Alzheimer's disease, where neurodegeneration is accelerated. In contrast, ashwagandha helps lower cortisol and provides neuroprotective effects, potentially slowing down the progression of such conditions. Research also highlights ashwagandha's ability to support cognitive function and improve memory. In a study involving patients with mild cognitive impairment, ashwagandha supplementation led to an improvement in cognitive performance by about 15 to 20%. The herb's impact on cognitive health is attributed to its antioxidant properties, which help reduce oxidative stress in the brain. Oxidative stress is a key contributor to cognitive decline, and studies suggest that ashwagandha can reduce oxidative damage by up to 35%. The herb's ability to fight free radicals and reduce inflammation is essential for brain health, as it helps preserve the integrity of brain cells and promotes better cognitive function. One of the significant components of ashwagandha is withanolides, which have been shown to have potent neuroprotective effects. These compounds are believed to enhance the growth of nerve cells and may even help in regenerating damaged brain tissue. Research suggests that withanolides can stimulate the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein critical for maintaining and regenerating neurons. Low levels of BDNF have been linked to depression, cognitive impairment, and neurodegenerative diseases. Studies show that ashwagandha can increase BDNF levels by 10 to 15%, potentially improving mood, memory, and overall brain function. The link between ashwagandha and brain health is well established, but understanding the role of its deficiency is also critical. Research indicates that ashwagandha deficiency, especially in people with chronic stress or neurodegenerative diseases, may contribute to worsening cognitive performance. It is estimated that around 40 to 50% of people with conditions like anxiety, depression, or Alzheimer's disease may have insufficient ashwagandha levels. This deficiency can lead to symptoms such as memory lapses, difficulty concentrating, anxiety, and general mental fatigue. Moreover, it can exacerbate the negative effects of oxidative stress, leading to a faster decline in cognitive function. When ashwagandha levels are insufficient, cognitive decline can become more pronounced. A study on elderly individuals found that those with low ashwagandha levels showed a 10 to 15% greater decline in memory and attention compared to those who had optimal levels of the herb. Additionally, individuals with neurodegenerative diseases may experience accelerated progression of symptoms, including increased forgetfulness and reduced ability to perform daily tasks, due to the lack of ashwagandha's neuroprotective benefits. Ashwagandha's role in brain health extends beyond memory and stress reduction. It also enhances mental clarity, focus, and overall cognitive performance. In a study involving university students, supplementation with ashwagandha improved attention and focus by approximately 15%. This makes ashwagandha a valuable supplement for anyone struggling with mental fatigue, whether due to a demanding lifestyle or neurological conditions. Its adaptogenic properties allow the brain to handle stress more effectively, thus reducing mental fatigue and improving clarity. Food sources of ashwagandha are not abundant in the average diet, as it is most commonly available in supplement form. However, ashwagandha is traditionally consumed as a powder made from the root of the plant. Studies show that consuming ashwagandha with healthy fats, such as coconut oil or ghee, can improve absorption by up to 30%. Adding it to smoothies, soups, or teas is a practical way to incorporate it into the diet. The herb is also available in capsules or liquid extracts, allowing individuals to consume it more conveniently. In terms of luxury meals, experts suggest combining ashwagandha with nutrient-dense foods that support brain health. For instance, mixing ashwagandha powder into smoothies with antioxidants-rich ingredients like blueberries or adding it to soups with turmeric and black pepper can enhance its bioavailability and neuroprotective effects. A study found that combining ashwagandha with turmeric increased its antioxidant capacity by up to 25%, potentially providing enhanced protection against oxidative damage. Similarly, using ashwagandha in gourmet teas or broths made with healthy oils can improve its absorption by up to 30%. For those looking to optimize their ashwagandha intake, two supplements are highly recommended by doctors: KSM-66 and Sensoril. KSM-66 is a highly concentrated form of ashwagandha that contains a high percentage of withanolides, up to 5%, making it one of the most potent ashwagandha supplements available. Clinical trials show that KSM-66 can improve cognitive function by 20% in patients suffering from stress-related cognitive decline. Sensoril, another extract, is known for its high potency and is used to reduce anxiety and improve focus. Studies show that Sensoril can reduce anxiety by up to 30%, while also enhancing memory by about 10 to 15%. The typical dosage for these supplements ranges from 300 to 600 milligrams per day, but individual needs may vary, and consulting a healthcare provider is recommended. Ashwagandha absorption can be hindered by factors such as chronic stress, poor diet, and lack of sleep. Research suggests that prolonged stress can reduce ashwagandha levels in the body by as much as 40%, which negatively impacts cognitive function. Poor sleep patterns and a diet low in essential nutrients can further exacerbate this depletion, reducing the herb's effectiveness by 15 to 20%. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including stress management techniques like meditation, regular physical activity, and a nutrient-rich diet, can help optimize ashwagandha absorption and maintain its benefits for brain health. Certain lifestyle habits and substances can also deplete ashwagandha's effectiveness. Excessive alcohol consumption can reduce cognitive function by up to 25%, while smoking can impair brain health by 15 to 20%. A diet high in processed foods can further hinder the brain's ability to absorb ashwagandha, reducing its benefits by up to 30%. Therefore, for brain patients, avoiding such harmful habits is crucial in maintaining cognitive health and ensuring ashwagandha's effectiveness. In conclusion, ashwagandha is a powerful herb with extensive research backing its benefits for brain health. It improves cognitive function, reduces stress, and protects the brain from oxidative damage. With proper supplementation, dietary adjustments, and lifestyle changes, individuals can harness ashwagandha's full potential to support brain health and mental well-being. Before we dive into the next powerful herb, if you're enjoying these brain-boosting tips, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. You won't want to miss the next natural remedy that could take your mental clarity to the next level. Let's keep your brain sharp and thriving together. Number 2, rosemary. Rosemary, a fragrant herb commonly found in Mediterranean cuisine, holds remarkable potential for brain health, particularly for individuals dealing with cognitive impairments. Scientific studies have revealed that rosemary's compounds, such as rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, have profound effects on brain function and protection. Research indicates that regular use of rosemary can enhance memory, improve cognitive performance, and even act as a natural defense against neurodegenerative diseases. These compounds possess strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which help protect the brain from oxidative stress, a key factor in conditions such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. In fact, studies have shown that rosemary can reduce oxidative stress in the brain by up to 35%, thus slowing cognitive decline. One of the most notable benefits of rosemary is its ability to improve memory and mental clarity. Studies have found that rosemary can improve memory performance by as much as 20%, especially in individuals dealing with age-related cognitive decline. Research from various clinical trials suggests that the aroma of rosemary essential oil can enhance memory retention and recall by 15 to 20%. This is because inhaling the aroma triggers areas of the brain associated with memory and focus, such as the hippocampus. Additionally, rosemary's ability to increase blood circulation in the brain ensures that more oxygen and essential nutrients reach brain cells, further boosting cognitive function. This increased circulation has been shown to improve overall brain performance by as much as 10 to 15%, leading to improved focus, concentration, and mental sharpness. Another critical aspect of rosemary's role in brain health is its ability to protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Carnosic acid, one of rosemary's key compounds, has been shown to protect neurons from damage and even stimulate the regeneration of brain cells. Studies indicate that carnosic acid can prevent the formation of beta-amyloid plaques, which are associated with Alzheimer's disease. In fact, research suggests that regular consumption of rosemary can reduce the accumulation of these plaques by up to 25%. This protective effect is crucial for patients with neurodegenerative diseases, as it helps slow down the disease's progression and improves the quality of life for patients. Deficiency of rosemary's active compounds in the body can lead to cognitive issues, even in individuals who are not diagnosed with neurodegenerative conditions. Low levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents in the brain can increase susceptibility to brain fog, memory loss, and poor focus. Studies have shown that individuals with low intake of antioxidant-rich herbs like rosemary may experience cognitive decline at a faster rate than those who regularly consume these herbs. Research suggests that a deficiency in rosemary can accelerate cognitive decline by up to 20%, particularly in people who are already at risk due to age or genetic predisposition. This deficiency is particularly concerning for patients with brain conditions, as it may exacerbate symptoms such as forgetfulness, confusion, and difficulty concentrating. The signs of low rosemary levels are often subtle but noticeable. Individuals with insufficient rosemary intake may experience increased forgetfulness, difficulty recalling information, and mental fatigue. These symptoms are often linked to oxidative stress, which can damage brain cells and impair their function. The brain's ability to focus and process information may also be affected, leading to decreased productivity and performance. Additionally, mood disturbances such as increased anxiety or irritability may be observed, as rosemary has been shown to have mild anxiolytic effects, reducing anxiety by up to 15 to 20%. In the absence of rosemary's protective compounds, stress can have a more significant impact on brain function, worsening cognitive and emotional health. Rosemary's role in brain health extends beyond memory and cognitive function. It is also known for its neuroprotective effects, which help preserve brain cells and prevent the degeneration of neuronal tissue. Studies show that rosemary's antioxidants can reduce inflammation in the brain by up to 30%, which is a major factor in cognitive decline and neurodegeneration. Chronic inflammation in the brain can lead to the destruction of neurons, impairing memory, learning, and emotional regulation. By reducing inflammation, rosemary helps protect the brain from this damage, preserving its function and slowing down the aging process. Research has also shown that rosemary's ability to increase acetylcholine levels in the brain contributes to improved memory and learning, particularly in individuals suffering from cognitive decline. Rosemary can be consumed in various forms, with fresh rosemary being the most potent due to its high antioxidant content. Research indicates that fresh rosemary contains up to 25% more antioxidants than dried rosemary, making it the best option for maximizing its cognitive benefits. Additionally, rosemary essential oil can be inhaled or used topically to improve mental clarity and focus. The inhalation of rosemary essential oil has been found to increase cognitive performance by up to 15%, making it an easy and effective way to incorporate the herb into daily life. In addition to these methods, rosemary can be consumed as an herbal tea or added to meals, where it can provide both flavor and health benefits. For those seeking to maximize their rosemary intake, gourmet meals offer an excellent opportunity. Rosemary pairs well with a wide variety of dishes, particularly in Mediterranean cuisine. Roasting vegetables with rosemary or incorporating it into meat marinades are simple yet effective ways to enhance the flavor of your meals while boosting brain health. Studies have shown that when rosemary is consumed with healthy fats, such as those found in olive oil or avocados, its absorption is improved by up to 30%. This is because fat helps the body absorb rosemary's fat-soluble compounds more efficiently. Additionally, rosemary can be used in soups, stews, and even desserts, offering versatility in both savory and sweet dishes. To ensure that rosemary's beneficial compounds are effectively absorbed, it is best consumed with a fat source. The combination of rosemary and healthy fats improves the bioavailability of its active ingredients. Research has shown that fat enhances the absorption of antioxidants by up to 30%, allowing the body to receive the full cognitive benefits of rosemary. Using rosemary in cooking with olive oil, coconut oil, or adding it to dishes with avocado can optimize the herb's brain-boosting effects. Two of the most recommended rosemary supplements for brain health are rosemary extract and rosemary essential oil capsules. Rosemary extract, often standardized for its active compounds like carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, is commonly used to improve memory and cognitive function. Clinical studies suggest that taking rosemary extract at doses of 300 to 500 milligrams per day can enhance memory retention and focus by 15 to 20%. Another popular form is rosemary essential oil capsules, which are typically dosed at 100 to 200 milligrams per day. Research has shown that these capsules can reduce anxiety by up to 20% and improve cognitive clarity, making them a valuable supplement for individuals with stress-related cognitive decline. Several factors can deplete the body's ability to benefit from rosemary. Chronic stress, poor diet, and lack of sleep can all interfere with the body's ability to absorb and utilize rosemary's compounds. Stress, in particular, has been shown to reduce the absorption of antioxidants like those found in rosemary by up to 30%, diminishing their effectiveness in protecting the brain. A poor diet, low in antioxidants and healthy fats, can also hinder rosemary's protective effects, limiting its ability to combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, lack of sleep can impair brain function and prevent the body from benefiting fully from rosemary's cognitive enhancing properties. Certain lifestyle habits can also interfere with rosemary's effectiveness. Excessive alcohol consumption, smoking, and a diet high in processed foods can all negatively impact brain function. Alcohol can deplete essential nutrients from the brain, reducing the ability to absorb rosemary's compounds by up to 25%. Smoking damages brain cells and impairs cognitive function, hindering the brain's ability to benefit from rosemary's antioxidants. A diet high in processed foods can increase inflammation and oxidative stress, further reducing rosemary's effectiveness in supporting brain health. To optimize rosemary's benefits, it is essential to avoid these harmful habits and focus on maintaining a healthy, balanced lifestyle. In conclusion, rosemary is a powerful herb that offers numerous benefits for brain health. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can protect the brain from oxidative stress, improve memory, and promote cognitive function. Research shows that rosemary can reduce oxidative stress by up to 35%, enhance memory by 20%, and improve focus and mental clarity by 15%. By incorporating rosemary into your diet or taking supplements, you can support cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. However, to maximize the benefits of rosemary, it is essential to maintain a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, stress management, and adequate sleep. With regular use, rosemary can significantly contribute to improved brain health and cognitive longevity. Before we dive into the next powerful herb for your brain, take a second. If you're loving this deep dive into natural brain boosters, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Your brain deserves the best, and so do you. Stick around, because the next herb could be the game changer your mind has been waiting for. Number 3, Gotu Kola. Gotu Kola is often referred to as a brain tonic, and for good reason. This powerful herb has been used for centuries to enhance mental clarity, improve memory, and support overall cognitive function. Recent studies suggest that incorporating Gotu Kola into your routine can improve brain performance by up to 20%, especially when it comes to focus and concentration. This herb works by enhancing blood circulation to the brain, making sure that your brain cells are well fed with oxygen and nutrients. The result? You feel sharper, more alert, and mentally clear. For those facing cognitive decline, Gotu Kola can act as a safeguard, helping to protect the brain from age-related diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. However, just like any essential nutrient, a lack of Gotu Kola in the body can have negative effects. If you're not getting enough, you may notice some subtle signs of cognitive struggles. Mental fog, forgetfulness, or a drop in your ability to focus might creep in. Research has shown that low levels of Gotu Kola can accelerate cognitive decline by as much as 25%, especially for older adults or those already dealing with memory issues. It's important to recognize these signs early so that you can address them before they worsen. The truth is, Your brain relies on good circulation and nourishment, and Gotu Kola plays a key role in ensuring that both are maintained. If you're experiencing low levels of Gotu Kola, the effects can be noticeable but often overlooked. Perhaps you're finding it harder to remember details or feel mentally drained at the end of the day. These are common signs that your brain isn't getting the support it needs. Gotu Kola has a special ability to regenerate brain cells, which is essential for maintaining cognitive function. Without it, your brain's repair process can slow down. In fact, research has found that those who have insufficient Gotu Kola intake may see memory retention drop by up to 20%, which can be frustrating and concerning as it impacts daily life. If left unaddressed, these issues can become more severe, ultimately affecting your long-term brain health. Gotu Kola is a true ally when it comes to supporting brain function. One of its most significant benefits is its ability to improve circulation to the brain. Better circulation means your brain gets more oxygen and nutrients, which helps to boost cognitive abilities. Studies have shown that improved circulation from Gotu Kola can increase brain function by about 15%, particularly in the areas of memory and focus. Gotu Kola's anti-inflammatory properties also play a major role in protecting the brain from the harmful effects of oxidative stress. In fact, research suggests that Gotu Kola can reduce oxidative stress in the brain by as much as 30%, which is essential for preserving brain health as you age. When it comes to getting Gotu Kola into your system, there are several easy and effective ways to do so. Fresh Gotu Kola leaves can be used to make tea, offering a gentle and relaxing way to consume the herb. However, food sources alone may not provide the concentrated amount of active ingredients that supplements can offer. Many people turn to Gotu Kola capsules or extracts, which are more potent and effective for supporting brain health. It's worth noting that Gotu Kola extract, which is typically standardized to contain around 20 to 30% asiaticoside, has been shown to improve memory and focus by 15 to 20%. So, if you're looking for a brain boost, supplements may be the way to go. But what if you prefer a more luxurious approach to consuming Gotu Kola? You can easily incorporate it into your meals by adding it to soups, salads, or even smoothies. Gotu Kola pairs well with other brain-boosting foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, which can enhance its absorption. In fact, studies suggest that combining Gotu Kola with healthy fats can improve its bioavailability by up to 30%, helping your brain get the most out of the herb's active compounds. If you're looking for a brain-healthy recipe, a smoothie with Gotu Kola, berries, and a dollop of almond butter can do wonders for your cognitive function. To maximize the benefits of Gotu Kola, there are a few absorption tips to keep in mind. First, make sure to consume Gotu Kola with healthy fats, as this helps improve its absorption. Second, avoid overcooking it. Overheating Gotu Kola can reduce its potency, so it's best to add it to your meals just before serving. For example, sprinkle fresh Gotu Kola onto your salad or blend it into your smoothie right before drinking. By following these simple tips, you can ensure that you're getting the full benefits of this brain-boosting herb. When it comes to supplements, two types of Gotu Kola products are commonly recommended by doctors for brain health: Gotu Kola extract and Gotu Kola capsules. Gotu Kola extract is often favored for its higher concentration of active ingredients, with a daily dose of 300 to 500 milligrams being effective for improving memory and reducing mental fatigue. Gotu Kola capsules, typically containing 100 to 200 milligrams per dose, are another great option for supporting brain health. Clinical research has shown that a daily dose of 200 milligrams can improve concentration, memory, and reduce anxiety by about 20%. Both forms are highly effective, but extracts tend to provide faster results due to their higher concentration of active compounds. It's important to keep in mind that certain lifestyle factors can deplete the body's ability to make the most of Gotu Kola. Chronic stress, poor sleep, and an unhealthy diet can hinder the herb's effectiveness. Stress, for instance, can interfere with the brain's ability to absorb nutrients by up to 25%, making it harder for Gotu Kola to provide its full cognitive benefits. Additionally, a diet that is low in antioxidants and healthy fats can also limit the absorption of Gotu Kola's active compounds, reducing its ability to improve brain function. For brain patients or anyone seeking to protect their cognitive health, it's crucial to avoid habits that can hinder brain function. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and a diet high in processed foods can all reduce blood flow to the brain and impair cognitive function. Research indicates that smoking can decrease brain blood flow by 20%, while alcohol consumption can deplete vital brain nutrients, reducing the effectiveness of brain-boosting herbs like Gotu Kola. To support your brain health, It's important to avoid these damaging habits and focus on maintaining a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. In conclusion, Gotu Kola is a powerful herb that can support cognitive function, improve memory, and protect the brain from age-related diseases. Whether consumed as a supplement or added to meals, Gotu Kola offers a natural way to boost brain health. Regular intake of Gotu Kola can improve focus and mental clarity by up to 20%, while also reducing anxiety and stress. By incorporating Gotu Kola into your routine, along with maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can significantly enhance your brain function and preserve cognitive health for the long term. And there you have it, the top 3 best herbs for brain health that can truly level up your focus, memory, and mental clarity. If you found this helpful, imagine what a small daily habit with these herbs could do for your long-term brain power. So, before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next video where we dive into more natural ways to supercharge your mind and body. Your brain is your most powerful asset, take care of it, naturally.